Avelovinit and welcome to another sit-down video. In this video, I'm gonna share you my tips and tricks of how to pack, how I pack, what I pack during my travels, all that pack. For those of you guys who are new to my channel, my name is Avelovinit and I make travel videos, travel tips, cooking videos, any tips related to traveling and just sharing my positive outlook in life. Only good vibes in this channel, bruh. I want to make sure to make the most out of your kilos during your trips. So without further ado, let's get packing. Hey! Tip number 1, invest on your luggage. As for me, I suggest to buy the ones that doesn't have any zippers on it. It'll be harder for them to unlock this or cut it, open it using a knife. I'm not saying all cheap products are not durable, but most of the time it is. So it's better to be safe than sorry than lose your luggage, destroy your luggage, or get stolen something inside your check-in. Trust me, it will save you a lot of money than buying cheap ones that are not durable. Tip number 2. Check the weather forecast of your destination before you start packing. This will help you a lot because you will know exactly what kind of clothing that you'll be bringing. Whether if you're going during winter time or summertime. Of course, you wouldn't want to bring summer outfits during winter time because chances are you won't be able to use all of the clothes that you brought. You just wasted a lot of kilos. Plus, you'll be the one carrying it. Instead of saving a lot of money with clothes, you probably needed to shop for some thick clothes, you know what I'm saying? So make sure to check the weather forecast before your trip. This will avoid you from overpacking or packing things that you don't even need. Sayang ang kilos, mga besh. Tip number 3. What? Sort out your things per category. From toiletries, makeup, tops and bottoms, shoes. You need to get yourself an organizer. It'll make your life easier. It'll save you a lot of time if you need something to get inside your luggage rather than going through your whole things and creating a mess out of it. You need to pack it again, make it organized, and it will save you a lot of time, I guarantee. I have organizers for my gadgets, for the things that I need inside the plane, my moisturizer, my hand sanitizer, my wet wipes. There will be instances where your luggage will be overweight. In that case happens, you can just easily get one thing out of your bag, poof, okay, we're good to go. Tip number 4. When packing liquids, place it inside plastic bags to avoid spilling and just ruining some of your stuff. That happened to me a lot of times. You learn from your experiences. Yes. Here I have my deodorant, my conditioner, my shampoo, my facial wash, and my feminine wash. There will also be instances where the container cannot handle the air pressure inside, so make sure to double tape it if you can. I guarantee you'd rather be safe than sorry. There were times that I packed my shampoo just, you know, okay, just place it there, and once I get to the destination, oh my gosh, it's like all over my luggage. And of course, I had to do my laundry even if all of my clothes are clean. Tip number 5.
Kill it. Now watch me nay. Okay. Now watch me whip. Watch me nay.
Some people like the folding method, some people like the rolling method. Also have to bring formal dresses because you'll never know whenever there will be a special occasion or just events that you have to dress up. Sometimes I put my socks inside my shoes, but that rarely happens because I'm that type of person who has to think about what she packs before she starts packing rather than overpacking. And as a solo traveler, it is so hard to carry your own luggage and transporting it when you commute, when you take the bus, the subways, and all of that. I just don't want to be hassled. Tip number 6. I bring 2 to 3 shoes with me. Flip-flops or sandals, white sneakers. It can go well to any clothes that I wear. This is what I also use in the planes. I also bring 1 shoe for formal wear. Sometimes you'll never know that suddenly you have to attend a formal event. Of course, I have to place my shoes inside a used plastic bag or a different bag to avoid my clean clothes to get dirty. Tip number 7. Now for hand carry bags, airline allow us to bring one piece of 7 kilograms that can fit inside the overhead bins, especially for budget airlines like Cebu Pacific in the Philippines. I have to have a lot of pockets so that I can easily organize my stuff from electronics, toiletries, water bottles, laptop, things that I need like ball pen, medicines. Please make it a habit to bring an extra padlock with you because you'll never know if you need to check in your hand carry. And one small bag for your valuables like your wallet, your cell phone, and important documents like passport and air ticket. My handbags are black or white so that I can easily match it with any outfit that I have. For my hand carry luggage, for my short trip, I usually bring one organizer full of clothes, small toiletries, put it inside a Ziploc. Make sure not to bring any aerosol sprays because it's not allowed inside the plane. My electronic gadgets such as my cameras, my laptop. My carry-on luggage is not complete if I don't bring snacks, so I make sure I have like Revel bars, chocolate bars, potato chips. This will save you a lot of money when you travel with budget airlines. You don't want to freeze up in the air, so make sure to bring hoodies, jackets, cardigans, whatever you feel for. Once again, budget airlines only allow us to bring one piece of 7 kilograms and one small bags for your valuables. Please do not be a hard-headed passenger because they are just regulating an international policy. Do not be a pasaway passenger, especially if pag nakapiso fare ka. Kakaloka! Tip number 8. If you're gonna go for budget airlines, you have to pay for check-in luggage. I also heard that Cebu Pacific has now a new luggage policy where they weigh and monitor the number of your check-in. If you're getting the 20 kilograms, you're allowed to bring 2 pieces of check-in luggage. For 32 kilograms, you're allowed to bring 3 pieces of luggage, and for 40 kilograms, you're allowed to bring 4 pieces of check-in luggage with you. For more info about Cebu Pacific's new luggage policy, I'm gonna put the link on the description box below. So yeah, I guess this ends my Avelovinit tips on how to pack like Avelovinit packing tips. That doesn't sound right, but you know what I mean. If you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Comment below what kind of vlogs you want me to film next, and I'll probably do that while I'm still here in Norway. I'll try as much as possible to film that for you guys and grant your wish. And I'll see you guys on the next sit down vlog, travel vlog, cooking vlog, whatever vlog. Bye!